Welcome to Food Cave. Today I will show you which part of the chicken we use in our menu. As you can see, we only use fresh chickens. They're about 1.5 kilos. Let me start with the chicken wings. The chicken wings will cut off nice and generous. There where the bone is, like this. One. Other one, generous. Put meat in the chickens, as you can see, for the chicken wings. And the fillets we use for the schnitzel. Let me use this flex knife over here to debone the chicken. Cut here. Take the fillets out. Nice, close to the bone. One. This one. There you can see. Trim the excess fat. Take the inner fillets out. That's your chicken fingers. And that is for the schnitzel. Same here, let me show you again. Chicken fingers. And chicken schnitzel, the skin off. Trim the excess fat. Beautiful. Chicken schnitzel, chicken fingers. For the chicken wings, tip off, and you will get 2 parts, 4, so there's 8 portions. 8 pieces in 1 portion. 2 chickens have to give up their lives for 1 chicken wing starter. Okay? Now this here, we don't throw that away. We will use that to make our chicken stock. The carcasses. The chicken stock we use for our bechamel, the cheese sauce and the mushroom sauce. And this is for myself. I use that for the brine. See, just want to show you the carcass here. Oops. So this one we fry, and that's the part we use in our menu. Chicken stock. In the next episode I will show you how to cut the schnitzel as well, and how to make the chicken stock. Thank you.